Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're back on the Raymore Reviews channel. So we're on the compound of the Lane Plaza, and today we're doing another driving video. Haven't been doing a lot of driving videos since lately, so I'm back on the street again. So today is a Sunday. I guess you probably already know that because of the next to zero traffic in these areas, so that's really good. So we're now on Constant Spring Road, passing the Village Plaza on the left, and we're basically doing a drive from Constant Spring Road through Halfway Trees to Town Center to Crossroads. That's basically what we're doing today. So stay tuned, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you've watched a few videos and your subscribe button is still red, please, it's free to subscribe. I'm begging you to subscribe. We're pushing for 10,000 subscribers as soon as we can. We're not even going to put any time on it. We're just pushing for 10,000 in the shortest possible time. So let's do this, guys. Remember to like the video, leave a comment as well, and share. All of those help YouTube to push the channel to, you know, other persons that have never seen the channel before. Alright guys, so subscribe, comment, share. And remember to go over to my new Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. I'll put that in the comment section as well. So we're passing through the Halfway Tree Town Center. We have the big transport center on the right, I can't miss it. Iconic design, iconic facility, and we have North Odeon Avenue smacked right beside it. And then this is one of the main crossings in Halfway Tree, one of the main intersections in Halfway Tree. We also have KFC on the right. A lot of persons, you know, at KFC. And yes guys, you may be seeing a lot of red and white. So yes, today, Sunday, February 14, is Valentine's Day. So there's a lot of mint ball on the road, a lot of red and white on the road. So I'm in the area, so might as well show you guys what's happening. A lot more activity on the road than a normal Sunday, but it's still not, you know, like a Saturday. So persons are still doing their Valentine's shopping for their significant other. And happy Valentine's Day to all the lovely ladies that watch the channel, that support the channel. Hope you have a great Sunday, February 14th. Alright, so we're just passing through the Halfway Tree Town Center, the Halfway Tree clock. And we're now heading in the direction of Crossroads. We have the Usain Bolt iconic building right here on the left. It's a call center, so call centers have occupied it. So Usain Bolt is not running a call center, but he built the building and then leased it to call centers. I have a more in-depth video on it that I've done quite a while back. So if you guys didn't know about that building, I'll put it in the comments so you guys can, you know, take a quick look on the Usain Bolt building right here in Halfway Tree. So still on the way to Crossroads area. I guess one of the good things about driving on a Sunday, guys, it's no traffic. That's the best thing. Yes, there's less activity on the road, less commerce, but you know, it's smooth sailing. Only thing that slows you down is the multiple stoplights. So enjoy the drive, guys, and I'll catch you guys in Crossroads. And remember to watch to the end. Alright guys, so we're now approaching Crossroads. We have Burger King on the right, Texaco, Tasty, one of Tasty main outlets, Total gas station again, another KFC, Payless, which is on State Mall on the right, Chinese store on the right, we have some OCs on the left, Key Insurance on the left, while we drive into Crossroads. And again guys, leave your comments, let me know your thoughts, let me know what you think about the drive. So we'll basically end the video at the Carib Cineplex. How many of you guys have ever been to Carib 5 or Carib Cineplex? That's the main cinema in Kingston, the main one in Jamaica. I think personally for me, I like going there for the, you know, the big movies, you know, the movies that are big, you know, like a Fast and Furious, you know, like a Avengers. That's when I really go to the theater for those big movies that you need to watch on a big screen. So let me know in the comments how many of you guys have ever been to Carib 5. That's where we'll end the video. Alright, so we're here in the middle of Crossroad Town Center, and we have Carib 5 right in front of us. So today they're showing The Marksman and Judas and the Black Messiah and The Little Things. So those are the movies they're showing today. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. Definitely continue to support the channel, really appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you guys on another driving video.